What up, everyone? This is your boy the Gamer coming to you with an unboxing of a Apple Watch Nike Edition Series 3 that I just bought today at the Apple Store. And it's the 42mm case, space gray aluminum Nike sports band. It has the black band, and there we go. That's the details on it. I hope you can see that. And this is what the box looks like. The box is long and it's black, and it still has the silicone wrapping on it. Let's get on to the unboxing. So we can unbox it like this. There you go. Pull this apart like this. Throw that away. So let's open it up. Let's get into what's in the box. We get this paper right here. It says designed for enthusiasts by Apple and Nike. So let's see what's inside there. So we get this paperwork. We get some paperwork telling how to wear it. We get this stuff. We get another size watch strap, the large or the small, and then we got a large one on the Apple Watch, so you can pull that out, and then you can put that back in if you need to. So we got that. So this is what the Apple Watch looks like. So let's show it. So that's the Apple Watch right there. That's what it looks like. It has the silicone paper on it. Let's take this paper off. There we go. Let's take this off let's take this off right here. There we go. So that's what it looks like with the Nike band on there. And right here it has the Nike and the Apple Watch logo right there on this band. It has holes in it to make it know that this is the Nike band one. And so this is what it looks like. I'll be doing another video of what it looks like turned on and how it works and everything. So this is the Apple Watch. Let's see what's inside there. So we got that, and inside we got the wall adapter, and then we got this, the charger, where we stick this on here like this. Ding ding. It magnets onto that, if you can see that. Ding ding. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and see you again. Bye.